What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today another very exciting tech video for you guys, and today we're jumping back into my mission to stop cleaning my own pool. I absolutely hate cleaning my pool, and if you own a pool yourself, you probably know how I feel. You always got to get out the leaves, you've got to check the chlorine, you're skimming, you're scrubbing, all that stuff, and it takes the enjoyment out of the pool itself. And I've been trying to find the best system to fully automate this. Today, we're going to look into whether or not AI and a little bit of solar power can combine together to finally form my ultimate solution. Aiper sent over the Experts Duo, the Scuba V3 for underwater and the EcoSurfer S2 for the surface. And the pitch is right there in their slogan, AI elevated, truly carefree. Let's find out today if that holds up. Now, before we get into the review, there's one thing that I want to mention, and it's very important to understand here. These are not two separate pool cleaners. They're not trying to sell you two separate products. This Experts Duo is really a system that makes pool care a lot easier on you, and it also addresses a lot of the shortcomings of other pool cleaners on the market. The Scuba V3 handles everything underwater, the floor, the walls, the waterline, and the EcoSurfer S2 handles the surface, the stuff that blows in before it ever sinks. Run them together and you get what Aiper calls top to bottom 360 coverage: floor, walls, waterline, and surface. That's really the whole idea here. Most pool owners run just one robot, which means you're still doing half the job of yourself, skimming or cleaning the bottom, and most bots don't do the full entire clean like Aiper has here with the Experts Duo. That's the real gap that they're trying to fill, and that's what we're going to be looking at and seeing if it really covers all of your bases, which is what you want as a pool owner. Okay, so let's go through all the benefits and claims that Aiper is making here with the Expert Duo, and the first one is 24/7 carefree pool maintenance. Aiper's backing this up with some real engineering. You start with the EcoSurfer S2. It has a pretty large solar panel built right into the top, and the tech Aiper calls Solar Seeker actually repositions the unit to chase sunlight when its battery gets low, which is seriously cool. So instead of you hauling it out to charge, it parks itself in a sunny spot and recharges while it's still in the water. Even on cloudy days, it keeps going. This means that surface skimming can run basically 24/7 without you thinking about it whatsoever. Then underwater, the Scuba V3 has something called AI Navium mode. This is where the AI actually earns its keep. The robot learns everything about your pool, the size, the shape, how dirty it tends to get over time, even factors in the weather in your location, and builds a weekly cleaning plan for itself. You get 7 days of hands-free care. You don't need to schedule it. You don't need to remind it. You don't need to do literally anything, which is absolutely awesome. You're running this completely hands-off once you get the initial setup done. On top of that, the Scuba V3 uses AI vision paired with DTOF sensors, which is basically how self-driving cars see the world, to plan efficient cleaning routes. And that's absolutely insane that you've got the same tech as self-driving cars in a pool cleaning bot. You've got no repeated passes, no wasted energy. This thing is seriously efficient, not just marketing language. It really works in practice, and it worked fantastic here in my pool in Phoenix, Arizona. The second benefit here is expert level cleaning, and this is where the AI on the Scuba V3 really shows up. Aiper calls it AI Patrol Cleaning, and the claim is up to 10 times faster than a standard robotic cleaner. What's happening is the onboard camera is actually looking at your pool floor in real time, and when it spots debris like leaves, a clump of sand, whatever you have, it adjusts its cleaning route on the fly to go hit that spot, which is incredibly smart and something that other bots just don't do. Instead of a dumb pre-programmed route like an N shape or an S shape, you get something that's really adapting to the mess in your pool in real time. And a quick privacy note here, all of that visual processing happens on device, so you don't have to worry about this getting sent to a cloud server somewhere. Privacy is completely something that Aiper's thought through, and it's all happening locally in real time. It's TÜV certified, which is a big third-party certification body. Nothing leaves the robot. For a camera-equipped device sitting in your backyard, that's the right approach and incredibly important to me and my family, especially with kids. Aiper calls the vision and pathing system Vision Path. For the waterline, you know that grimy ring you get right at water level, maybe with some oils from suntan lotion? There's Jet Assist. It's a single pump with a side jet that pushes the unit horizontally along the waterline so it scrubs it clean without you fishing out a brush. And the EcoSurfer S2 has a built-in adjustable chlorine tablet chamber. So while it's skimming, it's also dosing your pool with chlorine. That's water quality management happening in the background while it's cleaning everything else. And that's just something that no other pool cleaning bot or system can say. It's really taking all of the work that you would have to do yourself and offloading it, automating it with these bots. Now, let's talk about the part that really matters, and that is the debris that's actually captured. Because if a robotic cleaner picks up debris, but then it just puts it right back into the pool, which some of them do, let's be honest, is completely useless. But in this case, the Scuba V3 uses something that Aiper calls micromesh, a 180 micron debris filter paired with a 3 micron ultrafine layer. The big filter handles leaves, pebbles, and twigs, and the ultrafine layer catches sand, algae, pollen, that tiny stuff, those little particles that cloud your water. On the surface side, the EcoSurfer S2 has an industry-first design that Aiper calls Debris Guard, basically a leak-proof baffle that stops anything the unit has already picked up from sloshing back into the pool when it moves on. It's a very simple concept. Actually, when you hear it, it's surprising that this is the first time that anyone in the industry has thought of it. It's genius, and it's one of the problems with other bots. Like I said, they pick up debris, but then they spit it right back out, so they're actually dirtying the pool after they clean it, which isn't really the best experience. The next benefit that I want to talk about is reliability and how this holds up over time, because pool bots take a lot of abuse. You've got chlorine, UV exposure, weather changes depending on your region, and all of that can certainly impact certain bots over time. Aiper says that both of these are built with premium materials and tested for long-term outdoor use, so the sun, the water, daily operation, none of that should chew them up. Even here in Phoenix, Arizona, where it can get up to 115 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer, these bots are just fine. There's also a smart argument in just having 2 units instead of 1. Each one is focused on its specialty. The underwater robot doesn't waste cycles trying to skim the surface, and the surface skimmer doesn't drain a battery trying to scrub walls. That division of labor translates to what Aiper is calling a 2x lifespan. Less strain on each unit means each one lasts longer individually. And because of solar on the EcoSurfer, plus the long underwater battery on the Scuba V3, you also get real-time alerts in the app when something actually needs your attention. You get continuous cleaning with minimal maintenance. And again, that's really the whole point. If you're getting a pool robot or pool robotic system like this to automate your cleaning, you don't want to have to think about it. And with the Aiper Experts Duo, you really don't have to at all. So, wrapping up on the Aiper Experts Duo, the pitch is AI elevated. And after spending a few weeks with this system, I really think that that is an apt description. The Scuba V3 handles the underwater heavy lifting with generally smart AI navigation and actually private on-device processing, while the EcoSurfer S2 handles the surface with solar power, so it basically never asks you to anything. It makes sure that it's topped up and ready to go all the time. Run these two in tandem as a system as it's intended, then you've got a system that will clean your pool for you and you don't have to do any babysitting or stand there all day watching it. If you want to check out the Aiper Experts Duo, I'll drop the link below, as well as any other Element discount codes or sales that they have. I'll also put any of that around here on screen if there are discount codes to be had. Huge shout out to Aiper for sending out this system for us to test. We really enjoyed it, and I think this is the complete package. You're definitely not going to get chlorine dosing from any other bot. You're not going to get from any other robotic pool bot the ability to get a skimmer and a one that cleans your floor and edges and everything at the same time. Really parting that out to these two separate pieces of the system is incredibly smart. If you guys have any questions about the Aiper Experts Duo, definitely drop those below. I'll be happy to get back to you. Appreciate you guys watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much.